In this problem, we have that the square root of 2 minus 1 all to the power of 6 equals to what? There's a simple way of simplifying this. Now, to do this, let y to be what we have in the parentheses, which is the square root of 2 minus 1. Okay, so here we can write this by saying y plus 1 equals to the square root of 2. Okay, let's take note of this equation. I'm going to call this equation star. Okay, now squaring both sides, here I can have y plus 1 squared equals to the square root of 2 all squared. Now, simplifying this, we have y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals to 2. Why? Because there's a rule of indices that says the square root of a times the square root of a equals to a. So this is what we've gotten. And from this, I can say that my y squared equals to 1 minus 2y. I'm going to call this equation star star. Now let's proceed. I'm still coming back to this two starred equation. Now from equation star star, let's keep both sides. So here we have y squared equals to 1 minus 2y. This is equation star star. Keep both sides. Raise it to the power of 3. Here on the left hand side, I'm going to have y to the power of 6. While on the right hand side, this is the same thing as saying 1 minus 2y, 1 minus 2y squared, which can further be simplified to 1 minus 2y. Simplifying the second expression, it is 1 minus 4y plus 4. So multiplying this out, here I'm going to have 1 minus 6y plus 12y squared minus 8y cube. And from this expression can further be written as 1 minus 6y plus, if you look at this and this, y squared is common to both sides. And here I can factor it out and have 12 minus 8y. And I want you to recall from this given equation star star, y squared is 1 minus 2y. Recall that y squared equals to 1 minus 2y. Okay, so here I can have my y to the power of 6 to be equal to 1 minus 6y plus 1 minus 2y. Here we have 12 minus 8y. And here, this can further be simplified as 1 minus 6y plus 12 minus 8y minus 24y plus 16y squared. And here, I can simplify this to y to the power of 6 equals to 13 minus 38y plus 16y squared. So here I have y to the power of 6 equal, looking at this, we have 16y squared here. So I'm going to rewrite this as 13 minus 38y plus 16. Remember that y squared is 1 minus 2y. Okay, this is from equation star star. So this is what I just plug in. So here I'm going to have 13 minus 38y plus 16 minus 32y. And I have this as y to the power of 6 equals to 29, which is 13 and 16, minus 70y. And from equation star, since our y equals to the square root of 2 minus 1, then I can have y to the power of 6 to be equals to 29 minus 70 into parentheses square root of 2 minus 1. And here we have 29 minus 70 root 2 plus 70. And here my y to the power of 6 can further be simplified as 99 minus 70 root 2. So finally, the square root of 2 minus 1 to the power of 6 is going to give you 99 minus 70 root 2. So this is the simplified form for this problem. Thank you very much for watching. See you next.